The winter is the perfect time to invest in yourself, your knowledge, and learn. Today, we're going to explore white roses and all their variations. Today, I have 7 different varieties from gardenrosesdirect.com. Leonora, Quicksand, Patience, Purity, White Cloud, Mintha, and Westminster Abbey. They all are variations on the white, some with a little bit more of a gray hue to it, some with almost a beigey sandy. Some are white, yellow white, blushed white, but they're all within that neutral white category. When I'm doing a flower study, it doesn't mean it can't be pretty and that I can't have fun with it. So I pick a container that's large, lots of room for water, pre-mixed with flower food, and then I place in some floral netting so that I can design, but I've got just lots of fresh water for the flowers. Then I can add greens if I want. Seeded eucalyptus would be great because it would drape over, giving me a little pretty base. Some ferns. The helecho is nice. It's a very long-lasting fern, very strong, deep green hue. Just tucking that in. And then as I place my roses, I take them and I look for all the different varieties and I label them. So this is White Cloud. It's got a tag on it. I know, tacky, designing with tags, but that way I can know which rose is which and watch how it opens out. This is Quicksand. Tucking it in. Now, yes, these are a little more open because I've held them for 3 days already. Wanted them to be beautiful for you to see how they bloom out and what the colors might be. Some of them came direct from the farm with a label on them. Don't you love that? That way I can say, oh, isn't this beautiful? Set it in place. Angling it out, getting nice extension. And again, I just place each rose in, keeping track of the names. Don't you love this one? Westminster Abbey. Now as I'm placing them, and you can see them side by side, this one has more of that gray hue. This one's more pure white. Each one is always just a little bit different. And then, as you place them, you can decide, do you want white, beigey white, yellow white, gray white? What is most important to you? Once you have everything in place and labeled, then go back and add additional roses. That way you can watch how they vary. Some will be a little faster, some a little slower. Now just go ahead and tuck them in. Plus, who doesn't love a huge massed vase of roses? The recipe, 7 different varieties of white roses from gardenrosesdirect.com. I had the Leonora, and then I had Quicksand, kind of beigey, more white, Patience, a little bit of yellow, then Purity, White Cloud, which is really almost the whitest of all of them, Mintha, and then Westminster Abbey with kind of that grayed hue. You can see, makes a luxurious design. I saved one of each that I'm going to put just in a vase of water so that I can watch them that way as well, just all by themselves. I invite you to join me this winter and study flowers, expand your knowledge base, invest in your future. Getting roses, watching what they do. We get so many calls. Leanne, how do I take care of? Leanne, how long? And my answer is I give you my best guess, but I always say, invest in yourself. Buy some now ahead of time and watch. See how it goes. It's the best way to learn. Now you'll get full care and handling instruction on our website, flowerschool.com. More inspiration for designing with these fabulous roses. If you have questions, you can reach out to us through there with the, Leanne, what do you think? And I'll say, test it. Invest in yourself. Invest in your future. Now, as you do this, you might want to keep a photo diary. Take pictures. And if there's something that you find out that's quite interesting, post it on social media and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can learn from you as you invest in your future and do something you love.